Earth, just a memory. Mars, home. But in 2065, 200,000 humans face one massive problem. You can't eat red dust. No soil, no rain, toxic air. Yet somehow, we turned Mars into a giant dinner plate. The secret towers of food scraping the Martian sky. Welcome to the impossible made possible. Vertical farm towers on Mars. A Martian sunrise in 2065 is breathtaking, but it doesn't feed anyone. The first colonists quickly learned, you can't farm dust, and frozen water is harder to crack than your grandma's safe. But humans are stubborn. We weren't aiming just to survive. We wanted strawberries on Mars. So how do you build skyscrapers of food on a dusty, gravity-light planet? Humans can't survive outdoors without habitats, so robots handle the dirty work. Before humans set foot in the farms, robots planted the future. Once the first towers are built, Martian factories can produce more construction bots locally, a kind of self-replicating colony of machines. Robots in the 2040s, swarms of AI-driven builders stacked towers like Lego, using Martian dust fused into super-strong bricks. Inside, sealed ecosystems glowing with LED suns and power, half solar, half compact fusion reactors. Mars had no Eden, so we engineered one. No soil, no problem. We ditched dirt for hydroponics and aeroponics roots bathed in nutrient mist. Crops evolved to wheat, recoded for faster growth. Quinoa turbocharged, even algae pumping out oxygen and protein. Think designer plants on steroids. This wasn't farming anymore. It was genetic jazz, playing the song of survival. In 2065, vertical farm towers have special biodome floors where engineered insects live. Colonists release Mars bees, tiny predation-resistant hybrid bees with translucent wings glowing under lead ground. Instead of buzzing randomly, they are AI-assisted. Their hives are embedded with microchips that sync with the farm's nutrient cycles. Ant colonies handle the dirty jobs, breaking down organic waste and keeping fungal pests in check. Butterflies are deliberately released in recreation domes, a symbol of Earth's beauty transplanted to Mars. So, what's dinner like on Mars? Quinoa burgers, algae shakes, and, if you're lucky, a strawberry the size of your thumb. But it's more than calories. Fresh food kept colonists sane. Imagine chewing a lettuce leaf after 6 months of powdered meals. That crunch was a revolution. Vertical farms didn't just feed stomachs, they fed souls. In 2065, humanity can grow food on Earth and ship it to Mars. 30 days through space, plus a few more to the kitchen. Can it survive? Hardy crops like apples, citrus, grapes, potatoes, and onions. They survive with advanced cold storage, ethylene inhibitors, and protective coatings. Leafy greens and soft berries. Too fragile, they must be grown inside Martian towers. Advanced containers act like mini-Mars farms. Temperature, humidity, and gases perfectly managed. Earth sends the hardy, Mars towers grow the delicate. Together, they feed humanity across worlds. On Mars, we learned that farming was never about soil. It was about imagination, innovation, a symbol of reinvention. And once we grew food on a dead planet, we grew a future, proof that life can take root, even where life was never meant to be. In 2065, the impossible happened. Mars, once red and dead, now green and alive. From dust storms to dinner plates, from survival to strawberries. So tell me, was a green Mars ever just a dream, or was it destiny? Now, today in 2025, what do we know? NASA has successfully grown lettuce, tomatoes, and radishes aboard the International Space Station, demonstrating that plants can flourish in microgravity conditions. Vertical farming can reduce water use by up to 95 to 98% compared to traditional agriculture, making it highly resource efficient. Controlled environment agriculture, such as vertical farms, yields up to 100 more produce per unit of land than conventional farming, often using zero pesticides and capturing crop waste for energy or fertilizer. In urban environments, vertical farming produces safe, nutritious, and locally available produce year-round, helping combat food insecurity and climate disruptions.